Hello everyone, welcome to Hawa English. In this video, I will share 7 big mistakes that many people make when learning English, and how you can fix them. If you avoid these mistakes and follow my advice, your English will improve faster and learning will become easier and more fun. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Learning single words. Many people try to learn single words like hungry, traveling, and big, but this is not helpful. Learning single words is slow, and you forget them quickly. Also, you do not know how to use these words in sentences. How to fix it. Learn phrases, not single words. A phrase is a group of words that go together. For example, instead of learning hungry, learn the phrases I am hungry. Phrases help you speak naturally. When you learn phrases, you learn grammar and vocabulary at the same time. Example: don't just learn the word travel. Instead, learn the phrase I want to travel to New York. This way, you will remember the word travel and know how to use it in a sentence. Write down 5-10 phrases every day. Repeat them many times until you can say them without thinking. Mistake number 2. Studying grammar rules too much. What's the problem? Many learners spend too much time studying grammar rules. They think, I must learn all the rules first, but this is a mistake. When you speak, you will start thinking about the rules. This makes you slow and you lose confidence. How to fix it? Stop worrying about grammar rules. Focus on listening and speaking instead. Learn grammar naturally by hearing correct sentences many times. When you hear, she goes to work every day, you are using the simple present tense. You don't need to know the grammar rule. You learn grammar by listening and repeating. Listen to English every day and try to speak. Your grammar will improve naturally. Mistake number 3. Not listening enough. What's the problem? Some learners try to speak or write without listening first. This is a big mistake. Listening is the key to learning a language. Babies listen to their parents for months before they start speaking. You need to do the same. How to fix it? Listen to English every day. Start with easy materials like stories, songs, or podcasts. Repeat the same audio many times. This will help you understand and remember new words and phrases. Example: if you listen to a short story about Anna's day, you will hear sentences like, Anna wakes up at 6 a.m. She eats breakfast. She goes to work. When you hear the story many times, you will learn words like wakes up and eats breakfast. Listen while you are walking, cooking, or relaxing. Listening every day will make learning English easier. Mistake number 4. Not using stories to learn. Learning English with grammar books or boring texts can be difficult and boring. If you are not interested, you will stop learning. How to fix it? Use stories to learn English. Stories are fun, interesting, and easy to remember. Listen to or read short stories at your level. Repeat them many times. Example: here is a simple story. Tom wakes up in the morning. He feels hungry, so he makes breakfast. After breakfast, he goes to school. In the evening, He plays football with his friends. He is happy. This story helps you learn words like wakes up, makes breakfast, and goes to school. You also see how to use past and present tense naturally. Find short stories on topics you enjoy, like daily routines, hobbies, or family. Mistake number 5, translating in your head. Many learners translate English into their native language in their head. This is slow and makes speaking difficult. You cannot speak fluently if you are always translating. How to fix it? Think in English, not your native language. For example, when you wake up, think, I wake up at 7. Now I will make breakfast. Use simple English words and phrases to describe your day. When you see a cat, don't think gatto in Italian or chat in French. Think, this is a cat. The cat is sleeping. Mistake number 6, not repeating enough. What's the problem? Some learners think they only need to hear or read something one time. But this is not true. If you do not repeat, you will forget what you learn. How to fix it? Repeat words, phrases, and stories many times. Repetition is the key to remembering. Listen to the same audio or stories every day for 1 week. Example, if you hear the sentence, "How are you today?" just one time, you might forget it. But if you repeat it 50 times, you will remember it forever. Choose a short video, podcast, or story. Repeat it again and again. Repetition will help you speak without thinking. Mistake number 7, learning without emotion. What's the problem? Some people study English without energy or excitement. They think learning is boring, but when you feel bored, your brain does not learn well. How to fix it? Speak and learn with emotion. Use a strong voice, smile, and feel excited. When you enjoy learning, you learn faster. Choose topics you love. If you like sports, talk about sports. If you enjoy cooking, learn recipes in English. Example, say the phrase, I am excited to learn English with a big smile. You will feel happy and confident. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Smile, speak clearly, and enjoy the process. When you feel good, you learn better. Let's review the 7 big mistakes to avoid when learning English. Mistake number 1, learning single words. How to fix it? Learn phrases, not just individual words. This helps you understand how words fit together in sentences. Mistake number 2, studying grammar too much. How to fix it? Learn grammar naturally through listening and speaking. Don't focus too much on memorizing rules. Mistake number 3, not listening enough. How to fix it? Listen to English every day. It improves your vocabulary and helps you understand how the language sounds. Mistake number 4, not using stories to learn. How to fix it? Learn with fun stories. They make learning enjoyable and help you remember words easily. Mistake number 5, translating in your head. How to fix it? Think in English. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. Mistake number 6, not repeating enough. How to fix it? Repeat phrases every day. Repetition helps you remember and use new words. Mistake number 7, learning without emotion how to fix it. Speak with energy and excitement. It makes learning more fun and boosts your confidence. If you avoid these mistakes and follow my tips, you will learn English faster, more easily, and with more fun. Remember, learning English is a journey. Enjoy every step. What is one mistake you've made when learning English? How did you fix it? I'd love to hear your answer. Write it in the comments below, and let's practice together. Thank you for watching Hawa English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.